Good afternoon, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. A loaded up 5 to 7 days in front of us from a wintry perspective. We've got light snow in here late tonight and Thursday, fresh Arctic air, setting records most likely Friday morning and Saturday morning potentially across portions of the region. And then we've got a very complicated scenario developing Sunday through most likely Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday time period next week. So let's get into it. Light snow moves in here with a clipper system and associated Arctic wave that will deliver probably somewhere between 1 and 2 inches for central and northern portions of the state. This is valid at 11 o'clock with light snow continuing to evade portions of west central and north central Indiana. Again at 11 o'clock, that will continue to slowly advance eastward as we go through the course in time during the overnight and into Thursday morning. And this is most likely going to lead to a very slick commute Thursday morning, especially when you factor in temperatures that will be falling into the upper teens. This is 19 degrees forecast Thursday morning at 4 o'clock. Fast forward a little bit longer, you've got 7 o'clock where we're sitting in the middle teens in the city, colder in outlying areas to the north. And the story will be set for tomorrow with a snowy day on tap, especially during the first half of the day, and a very cold day as well, as highs really don't recover from that tomorrow. Probably top out in the upper teens to right around 20 before we really reload the Arctic air in here tomorrow night into Friday morning, where we start Friday off below zero. That's going to repeat itself as we move forward in time. Saturday morning will probably be the coldest morning with this next shot of Arctic air. All of this area here that you see in the white and gray shading is indicative of below zero air across the Midwest and Ohio Valley region. And we probably think somewhere during those pre-dawn hours Saturday to right around sunrise, where some areas receive temperatures, they probably plunge to around 10 below zero in those outlying areas. We officially think somewhere between 4 and 6 below zero for the city itself Saturday morning. All right, that's out of the way. Now let's discuss what happens thereafter. I can tell you that, actually let me just back this up. We're going to take a look at the Canadian forecast model, and it's not because we want to focus in on one particular solution. This is a very fluid situation, but we're becoming more confident with the chances of accumulating snow and or ice in here for central Indiana late Saturday night into Sunday. It's going to be very important to really watch what unfolds with the first wave of precipitation during that time period to determine exactly what takes place later in that Monday night and Tuesday time period. We think that the form of precipitation will be very similar with the second wave of moisture that comes out than it is with the first. Certainly a lot to discuss, a lot of data to sort through, but we just want to present our best idea right now for you here, considering it's Wednesday and the first event takes place late Saturday night into Sunday, again another one late Monday night and Tuesday, the way we see things playing out right now. So let's put this into motion, and it will show you that, let me just fast forward to Saturday really quick. There we go. All right, so light snow builds in here, light, potentially even more significant snow late Saturday night and Sunday. Again, this is taking the Canadian solution here in play. All the blue is obviously your snow. Your pink and red shades here indicative of more of an icy solution. So the first wave of activity moves through, we think, and probably deposits potentially a moderate to significant snowfall in central Indiana the way we see things playing out right now. Again, not a lock, certainly this far in advance. Then we probably see a relatively calm day on Monday with fresh cold air in place before things really load up and come at us again here late Monday night and Tuesday. Again, wintry precipitation certainly possible with the second wave in that Monday night, Tuesday time period. The threat is on the table of two very significant winter weather makers hitting back-to-back. That said, the potential is still there too for some mixing to get involved here, and maybe even some rain if you were to take in some of the warmer solutions. And we're not, turning our attention away from those particular scenarios either. The trend here today has been one towards a colder scenario, and there's no reason really not to buy into that trend, at least, considering the snowpack and the depth of the Arctic air in place. Can it go the opposite direction, though? It could. It just really is going to depend, again, I think, with that first wave of moisture coming out late Saturday night and Sunday, and seeing what kind of impact that has as we go into early next week. Guys, that will do it for the evening update here on IndyWX.com. As promised, a lot on the table when you factor in the accumulating snow in here late tonight and Thursday, be it light, fresh Arctic air and potential record lows Friday morning, Saturday morning, and then again the very complicated but significant event that looms over the weekend into early next week. We appreciate you logging on, guys. We'll talk with you soon on IndyWX.com.